see this problem? Oh, that's way.
I'm generally not a woo-woo kind of person. If I don't get something, I want to unpack it, get the facts. But the ocean, it's a part of me. You could say it runs in my blood. My grandmother was a freediver, an ama. She helped me feel its rhythm and understand how one breath could last a lifetime. We dove so often, the memories all run together. Except one. When I wished I could stay down forever. The ocean cast its spell on me that day. And its mystery still consumes me.
Day 1, submerged atoll, Western Pacific. It's great to be diving again. I'm anxious to find our sperm whale family and look in on our mother-to-be. I'm also excited to test out Andre's new tech. Ocean X is expecting a huge audience for our first live stream, given how bad things were in this region a few years ago. No pressure though, ready to dive.
I'm in and okay.
Hey, Mariah, how's the new suit?
Nice. A bit itchy, but I've had worse.
How are you breathing?
Breathing easy. This rebreather is amazing. Feels like I'm freediving.
A genuine compliment. Should have caught that on the live stream.
Give me a few minutes. I want it to be amazing, and I'm still getting used to this AR visor. Done. How many scans before the AI is trained on a creature?
It will vary. There are many factors that affect the confidence level of a match.
So you don't know. Got it. Now, point me to the buoy so I can try the hydrophones. I want to make sure all the tech is working before we stream. Irina, how you feeling?
Haven't thrown up today.
Well, it's still early.
You gonna be okay with the live stream?
I may let you do most of the talking.
Once you reach the buoy, you can triangulate the sound of any animal.
Clever.
Thank you. That's close enough. You can use your dive watch to control the buoy from there.
Oh, you had to make a channel or just an account?
Refresh me on the controls.
Move the targeting circle around. Each sound will get louder when you are close to locking in on an animal's location.
Oh. That I'm not too sure then. Because I haven't figured out how to view the chat yet. Like from
Alright,
an app
you're
or
okay?
anything.
I'm going to start the live stream.
Let's roll. Welcome to the OceanX livestream. I'm Dr. Mirai Soto, and I'll be your eyes and ears on this expedition. I'm joined today by two colleagues.
Hello, I'm Andre.
Hello, everyone. I'm Irina. Can your AI parse through all those sounds?
Not using this scanner. But I do have a new drone design that should be better at isolating the source of the sounds.
Don't get too jealous, folks, just 'cause I'm swimming with dolphins. My grandmother always warned me that although they're cute, they can also be pranksters. And today, also very noisy.
I'm missing one. Oh, there it is.
Done. And maybe next time I can weigh in before on the number that we need to scan.
As I mentioned, the confidence model is complex. You just want to find the whales.
Guilty.
What's the question mark for?
That looks to be a sperm whale. I think I saw this bull from the sub. I wonder how far he's traveled.
Once we have a reliable ID on him, I'll see if anyone has tracked him before.
Nice.
No, I'm not talking to the game. I had to fight another dolphin if that's what you were talking about. Yeah, because I have to scan so many of them to get them to come up in the logbook. And I found this. I found the group of 4, but the 5th one kind of straggled somewhere else. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to monitor the chat from my phone. because I can't figure out how to get it to come up on the YouTube app or the Studio Creator app. Something I'll
Looks
have
like
to
we've
figure
got our
out then.
first singer.
Fantastic. Hopefully on your next dive you can record his song to compare with other humpbacks in the area.
Fun fact, in addition to being an engineering whiz, Andre is quite the musician. Are you still writing music?
Not for years.
Dry spell?
More like raising teenagers. Hey Mirai, I'm seeing alerts on the South Buoy if you want to pull them down.
Okay, let's see what mysteries this buoy unlocks. What does that sound? Did I break something?
I've deployed acoustic modems to transmit from other sensors.
For those of you who have no idea what he's talking about, he means we use sound to transmit data, so we can have Wi-Fi in the ocean.
Impressive. What kind of bandwidth do we get?
Like 1990s dial-up. Fun alert. Looks like some young dolphins are having a play date. Ooh, company.
Unbelievable. That sounds too close to be outside the research zone.
One of the waypoints went down. Do you think that's related?
Yeah, probably.
What's that?
Hey guys, can I take a turn?
See, this is just one of those really fun, relaxing games.
Well, you don't see that every day. At least I don't.
Frankly, neither do I.
I'm not sure, honestly. I mean, I've got, Endless Blue on Switch, and I know that's multiplayer, so I'm guessing this one's gotta be multiplayer.
Red light must mean a serious alert.
Yeah, dead battery.
Whoa, octopus. I think it went in that cave. I'd like to go in that cave.
Let's be real. There's no way I'm not squeezing through here to follow that octopus.
We'll definitely want to practice diver rescue at some point.
Well, maybe.
Mirai, please be careful.
If I get stuck, are you gonna come get me?
Hey there. Sorry to spoil your hiding place.
See, there's not really all that much involved. I mean, it's a pretty fun, simple game. I mean, you get to learn a lot about fish. You get to swim with fish. And there is kind of a story to it.
Biochemical emittance triggered this whole area.
Because of me. Not because of me, but because I configured the sensors to detect stress in the coral population.
Okay, let's find out what's causing that stress.
Mirai, please collect biosamples from any of the distressed corals.
Happy to oblige.
For those watching, these sensors help us understand what leads to resiliency in coral so we can help breed it into other species.
Well, no, I mean, if you don't want to be in the open water, this would be a good option.
Done.
Mirai, sperm whales. And they must be your pod because I have a tag signal that is definitely ours. Pushing the waypoint.
On my way. I'm hoping to reconnect with the sperm whale family, whom I have been tracking for years.
I'm excited to check in on our mother-to-be.
So many fish to look at. And hopefully not get eaten by.
Mirai clearly has a fondness for these creatures. She's fallen silent.
Right. Let me finish scanning them all. I still don't see our pregnant mother. Done.
Good. Everything all right?
I am now. Look. Our mommy whale has delivered. Everyone say hi to her beautiful 1-ton baby girl.
Is she okay? Right.
Shh. She's nursing. I just wish all of you could be here for 1 second. Amazing. That is the end of our stream. Like, share, comment. Remember, we need you. All of us down here.
Well, I mean, this game makes it pretty easy for, that point to go across for liking, sharing, and subscribing. She does all the work for me. I just get to swim around and look at fish. That's one of the reasons why I decided to try this one first.
My family used to go to the beach every summer. For me, that was my favorite thing to do all year long. Hearing the seagulls, the sound of the ocean pounding on the beach. For me, that was just grounding and relaxing and fascinating all at the same time.
The physicality of the ocean is one of the things that, as a kid, attracted me the most. That thrill of just having that ocean energy push me along. You could just ride all day. There was no lift tickets, there was no fees to get into the ocean.
When I describe to people what it's like to dive on a coral reef, they're like, oh, I never thought about that. They've never had a shark swim right beside them. Look them in the eye and give them a little fright for a second before they realize that the shark just wonders what I'm doing, just like I wonder what the shark is doing.
I started free diving. So when I think of diving, I really think of free diving. Like, this is what whales do, right? Take a big breath of air and they hold that oxygen inside their body. This ability to free dive down to where the scuba divers were, swim around and come back up, was just so free. Nothing on, no equipment. I just love that. It made me feel like a fish.
When I did my first submersible dive, I realized it wasn't just that I was meant to be out on ships. I was supposed to be in the bottom. I don't think anyone has ever measured endorphins in submarines, but I can tell you they're probably through the roof.
The first time I was in a submarine, I saw that life down there and 50 new questions popped into my brain that wouldn't have come up because it was this immersive experience and I just felt it.
When you're in a submarine and you're looking at these magical environment, you're overwhelmed by this sense of wonder. You're humbled by this feeling of there's so much I don't know about the world, and you're stimulated to figure out how this all works together.
I'm a marine biologist. I'm someone who studies the ocean from as many angles as I can.
When my kids ask me what I do for a living, I tell them that I'm an explorer. I'm an aquanaut. I dive down to the bottom of the ocean and I see things that people have never seen before. How lucky am I to be able to share this amazing habitat with the rest of the world?
How's the audio so far?
As a child, I had no idea how important the ocean is. That the great majority of life on Earth is in the sea. That the greatest diversity of life is in the sea. My name is Sylvia Earle. I'm a scientist, an oceanographer, an ocean explorer. I've spent years at sea aboard ships and thousands of hours under the sea. I've seen things others have not. If others could see what I've witnessed, they would know how much the ocean has changed, and they would know why caring for the ocean matters to everyone, everywhere. The ocean is Earth's life support system, generating most of the oxygen in the atmosphere, capturing much of the carbon dioxide produced by human actions. The ocean is the planet's living blue heart. Every creature has a story. Every one, whether you're looking at a little crab, or a starfish, or a shark. If people stayed on the shore and never got underwater, how would we ever know that fish but they have communities, they have faces. Their importance as fellow citizens, as cultures, as amazing creatures that we can learn from. There's a lot of water we now know elsewhere in the solar system and elsewhere in space. But to have a liquid ocean with frozen polar areas, it's taken 4.5 billion years to shape the world in a way that is favorable to humankind. It's taken us about 4.5 decades to significantly unravel systems. No ocean, no life. No ocean, no us.
So much good, useful information.
My name is Shane Garrow, and I'm the founder of the Dominica Sperm Whale Project. I've been following the lives of sperm whale families in the Caribbean Sea based off the beautiful nature island of Dominica. I've had the sort of greatest honor to spend thousands of hours in the company of the sperm whale families. And over the last 15 years, we've come to know 30 different families. We know about 10 of those personally. My research focuses mostly on the connection between these families' lives and what they say to each other, and how they succeed in the ocean by living in these small families. They live these rich and complex lives in part of the ocean that we find difficult to even explore. Sperm whale society is matrilineal, meaning it's grandmothers and daughters that will live together for life. The young males live in the family until
have fun,
they're
and I'll
about
talk to you
teenagers,
later.
and then they go on this sort of open ocean wander for about 15 to 20 years before they are breeding age. But females will stay together for life. They communally raise and defend their babies, and they live in this sort of community of neighboring families just like we do. Behavior is what you do, but culture is how you've learned to do it. In the same way that we're all humans, but some of us eat with chopsticks and some of us eat with a fork. We're all still eating, but how we've learned to eat is importantly different. The secret for how these animals are surviving are these traditional behaviors, and that's why every calf counts. Every female calf is critically important, and each one of those that we lose so much potential. I think one thing that my research has shown is that our lives are really similar. The values that we have in our families, love your mom, be a good neighbor, learn from your grandmother's experience. And ultimately, life is about the quality of the relationships that you build with those around you, whether you're a whale or not. The secrets that my grandmother learned are helping me to survive now. Ensuring that these grandmothers survive to be grandmothers to share their stories, and ensuring that these babies live long enough to learn them is what's going to enable these animals to be around for a long time.
I guess I gotta scan more of them to get more information. Yeah, it looks like the more that I scan them, the more I can unlock. Well, looks like I got a lot to do. Oh, this must be the music we're listening to. Yep. This is the music we're listening to. Yep, we'll go with that one. That one sounds more relaxing. Power of attorney papers. I wonder what's going on. Oh. I think I get it. I think I get it. I'm guessing she gave too much of her life to work. And probably on her way to a divorce. And she's probably fighting for her daughter. Okay, let's see here.
Hello, Mariah. Thanks for checking in.
Hey, Andre.
Nice dive. How are you feeling?
A bit tired, but I can't wait to get back out. Can you believe we found the family on the first dive? And they have a new baby girl.
I know. Well done. Feeling settled in the sub. Has everything tested out?
Fabulous. The overhead speakers sound great. Glad I brought my tunes.
This solo sub test makes me nervous. We're definitely fitting it out for 2 pilots next time.
Didn't you help design it?
Yes, but now you're driving it.
I am much more careful with subs than I am with cars.
Let's hope so. So, I have something I know you'll want to see. It's what the live stream saw of A12 and her baby. I didn't think you expected her to deliver so soon, though.
I thought she had more time given her weight, but it was hard to know for sure. What's the about?
Just noting her low weight. Also wondering when you'll find the rest of her pod. Maybe they were diving.
I'll find them. Hey, I was thinking we should name the baby whale Andrea. She has your kind eyes.
And my bald head. No, I'm putting her in the sim as A17.
Ugh, you're so sentimental. Hey, where's Arena?
Probably in the head throwing up.
She threw up one time. Why are you being so hard on her?
I just don't like the idea of using priceless expedition time to make pharmaceutical companies richer.
I thought she was self-funding her own research.
Yeah, self-funding so she can found another startup.
Besides, you know that all of her findings here will be open to the public. Is she gonna jump on the chat?
She's reading a brief about that deep-sea mining impact study.
Okay, I definitely don't have time to get into that with you. I gotta call my sister.
No problem. I'll send Ren my best.
I will.
Hey girl, aren't you supposed to be 20,000 leagues under the sea?
I am. I'm calling from the sub.
That's crazy.
It's late there. Are you going or coming?
Just got home from a concert.
You were gonna show Nana my live stream tonight.
Ugh, don't hate me. I'll show her tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Hey, check this out.
Is that a baby whale?
And her very, very proud mother. She delivered early.
Wow, that's some view. You're really living the dream.
Thanks. Miss you, though. How's Nana?
Okay, not a big deal, but I am taking Nana to get tested for a clinical trial. Some new dementia drug.
Why didn't you tell me you signed Nana up for a clinical trial?
You've got your whales. I got this.
Thanks.
You love me and you know it. I gotta go. Say hi to the whales for me.
So, after that, I'm guessing that was the daughter. She didn't sound too happy that the mother was out whale watching, though. Says we got a new dive ready.
Day 2, back to the atoll at sunset. The hydrophone feeds are alive with the sounds of whales. Gonna find me some singers. I'm excited to test Andra's new manta drone. Kinda like the Swiss Army knife of stealth drones. I'd love to spend the whole dive hanging out with baby Andrea, but miles to swim before I sleep. Ready to dive.
I gotta be more conscious of trying to scan all the fish in the area.
Okay.
Looking good, Mirai. The Manta drone is ready for its first zoom scan.
Now I get to see why you talk about it so much.
Only the best science for you.
I want to try and get as much data on all these fish as I can so I can unlock everything. And I'm sure there's probably hidden things all over the place too. I guess shellfish aren't part of the scanning. Oh wow, there's so many of them. Now, I've noticed each time I scan them, my numbers go up, so I wonder if that's just how many there are on the map, or if there's going to be more than that. Or if that's just how many I need to scan to unlock everything. Okay, I think I got all the sharks in this area.
Buoy ahead. Bet we'll find some whale vocalizations.
Well, I'm not taking that bet. You always find whales. You'd find them in your bathtub.
What kind of bathroom do you think I have?
It would be a pretty cool bathroom, though. That trash? It is. There's trash down here. Look at it. It's something I could clean up? I guess not. I wonder how deep I could go. Oh, I guess that's it. Can't get deeper than that. Oh, wow. Just amazes me how much trash we end up with in our oceans, and our oceans just kind of turn it into like living space for everything.
This is a lot of whales.
It's staggering the number migrating through this area.
Hey, don't jinx it. It's our sperm whale family again.
The manta drone will match speed with the creature, so you can concentrate on steering it around to find the places you need to focus.
All right, baby. We won't forget you now. Andre, can the Zoom scan tell how old the baby is?
Not with any certainty. Why?
Just wondering if she's old enough to hunt by herself. I wondered. She still seems pretty young to go that deep.
Will she be okay alone while her mother dies?
She should follow the pod. Her aunties will babysit while the mother hunts.
Wish I had them when my daughter was born.
Takes a pod.
Mirai, why is the baby girl so important to your study?
I'm hoping to follow the baby for years, to learn from her as she learns from her family, and hopefully to watch her eventually become a mother herself.
Ooh, well, I guess some clams you can. Well, shellfish anyway. I guess the other ones maybe probably are just like decoration. Or like scenery.
Here we are. The whale we're designating Humpback M1. Oh, so catchy.
Oh.
How will you know it's M1 when you see it again?
Each humpback's fluke is unique.
So M1 it is.
Andre's software is helping me understand the structure of their songs so we can try singing back.
More like playing back. I'll synthesize a song that mirrors one from another region to see how these whales react.
Because Andre doesn't like my singing.
It's more the songs you sing, actually.
Yeah. Wait, is that the one that I just scanned? I think it is. Yep, that's the one I just scanned. trying to make sure. Trying to be a little more thorough, trying to find everything and get it all scanned. Oh, I wonder if that's the cave that the octopus was in earlier. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh, yeah, it is. So this is probably the same map that we were exploring before, just at a different time. So then, maybe those numbers are all the fish that are on this map, or in this ocean.
Approaching Humpback M2. Looks like he's on a date.
How can you tell?
It's like they're dancing to his song. What do you think, Andre? Do you think he can make it as a solo artist?
Not without more original material.
What?
Males from the same region sing nearly identical songs with just enough variation to stand out.
Yeah, just like most pop singers.
Such a snob.
Oop. I figured down here in the depths there would be more. Well, more types of fish. Did I just scan that one through the rock? I keep seeing bubbles and I keep thinking it's more fish to scan.
Let's hope the Whalapalooza continues. Wonder if they charge admission.
Don't worry. Whatever it is, you can take it from my budget.
Someone's feeling better today. Well, I guess it worked. I've got some nasty noise.
Same damn sound we heard yesterday.
Well, I'll check it out between the whales.
Huh.
Looks like another area sensor.
Okay, Mirai. Can you use the microtags to mark the starfish for collection?
Are you testing your collector drone?
It's not a test. Irina needs us to collect a few for study.
They are incredibly resilient. They can regenerate themselves from just a subset of their body.
They're also invasive. Must have hitched a ride in the ballast of a ship.
Irina, how many of these do you need? I'm missing the whales.
Just a few.
Guess I gotta find more starfish.
Okay, micro tags deployed.
Thanks, Mirai. That's plenty.
Are you sure this is where you track that noise?
Oh.
I don't know, Andre. That sound is loud, but it seems pretty deep. Can't see how it could be coming from a ship.
Yeah, I agree. It also keeps starting and stopping. I'll figure out another way to investigate it.
Wonder what it could be. Sounds mechanical, though. Alright, hang on just a second. I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom quick. Okay, back to our exploration. Sounds like dolphins? Yep, dolphins. Sounds like
Andre,
sonar.
what was that other nasty noise? It was definitely digital.
Low power alarm. You need to pick up a sensor for servicing.
It never occurred to you that a nice ringtone would be far less annoying?
Ooh, is that a cave?
Mirai, please, please, get closer.
You weren't this excited about the dolphins before.
They're rubbing against the coral. Kind of a wellness visit.
I'm guessing that they do that to scrape off parasites and barnacles, I guess? I don't think dolphins get barnacles, do they?
I have colleagues that are studying the antimicrobial properties of these coral.
Oops. I'm not that great with using the drone. What am I search? There it is. Whoa. Oh, I must have already scanned that. Okay. Did I scan it on him too? Oh, it must count for all of them. Huh. Or not. That's all I see here is just them three. Oh, no, there's 4 of them. Nope, I don't think that's a dolphin. I think that's something else. No, that is. Is that one of those dolphins I scanned? Yep. Did I get all 4 of them? Now I'm questioning whether I got them all or not. Yep, got him. Oh, I got that one way out there in the distance. Did I get you? Nope. Oh, that's so evil. Huh. Okay, we got all 4 of them now for sure. So let's head over to this other noise.
Hey Andre, those reef sharks like your ringtone.
Oh, wait, it's down there.
Will I be able to get the data off that sensor while I'm picking it up?
No. It goes to sleep when the power is low to preserve the data.
Whoa. Oh,
Whoa!
that was an octopus.
Did you see that?
A shame that wasn't on the live stream.
Have you seen one do that before?
Never! I'm picking up a tag from the sperm whale pod, pushing the waypoint now.
On my way.
But where did he go? Where did he hide? Come here, little octopus. I guess he's just... Wait, is this a cave? Is that a cave? Nope, that's not a cave. That's just... No, that is something down there, isn't it? Nope. Oh, guess not. Wonder where he went to. Huh. Well, I guess we'll go to the next pod then.
Sorry, sharks. Mirai is off the menu.
Oh, let's hope it stays that way.
The baby's back with the rest of the pod.
What's it doing?
Nuzzling. Probably calling for its mama. Are you calling for your mother?
Huh.
You've got to be kidding me.
Yeah, I hear it.
What is that noise?
There they go. That was our shot. Can you send the sub to pick me up? I'm done for now.
I'm so curious on what that noise is. Oh. Hold up, we gotta change that music. I wonder if there's a way to, like, permanently set the music.
On the shore, it's a light and heavy glow. All the blue of the night.
What does the note say?
You have no place.
Can't see what the note says.
I whisper softly in your ear that I am there.
Ooh, another video.
It's a big ocean. You gotta be able to see what's worth spending your time on.
When I'm down there in a submarine and I'm seeing all these animals, it's always about which one of these is new, which one of these has not been seen before to science.
Why did these animals come here as opposed to there, and where are they going? They're really tangible things that we can do now to start answering some of these questions, but as the technology develops, we can become more and more and more and more sophisticated.
Technology is emerging on all fronts. We're using all this side-scan sonar and hydrophones to map things out. We can use these sound underwater surveillance systems to actually track whales and see them move all around the ocean. There's a new field called environmental DNA, where you just look at the soft cells that are in the water to know who is there.
Oh, the whale shark was just here. Can we follow it? And you sniff the trail of the whale shark's DNA.
How am I going to understand a shark if I'm thinking like an old world primate? We're totally different. It took me several years to look at the eyes, to look at the hardware, to measure the light, and to build the camera so we could get all these hints into how that shark might be seeing the world. It's like a detective story.
I could sit and watch videos of the ocean stuff for hours and hours. I've watched all the Ocean Blue movies, and it's about all I watch, mostly on Netflix and Prime. A lot of nature shows.
What we know as humans about whales comes from just a few scientists so far, like Roger and Katie Payne. They had background in music, and by kind of mapping out the songs, noticing that if they would look at this almost like a song sheet, every 15 minutes or so, there would be a repeat.
Only male humpbacks sing, but the function of their song is still mysterious. The general belief is that whale songs serve the same purposes that bird songs do, as ways for males to advertise for mates and to challenge rivals. But why they change their songs is still unknown.
Taking that information from whales and passing that to us humans was one of the most transformative pieces of narrative to feed the Save the Whale movement and maybe save some whales from extinction. These animals are sharing this world that might have been millions of years going on in their world, and suddenly, for the first time, we, as humans, are tuning in.
You know, in a lot of ASMR songs and calming music, people use a lot of whale songs and whale sounds for sleep and focus and comfort. Clinical trials paper. Wonder how you could actually view these. Like, it's like little hints. It's like little hints at part of the storyline. It almost feels like, you know, she's using whales to find a way to reconnect with her daughter or better raise her daughter instead of sitting under the ocean forever. Okay, did we complete anything? Doesn't... Oh, we came close to finishing Royals. Finished the starfish. Wait, behavior? Science log? No. How do you... Oh, there we go. Doesn't give me anything for behavior yet, though. Maybe not all of them have it. So far, we only finished starfish.
It's hard to walk away when the soul afraid to change, but the doors wide open, so the closures those in the way. Yeah, won't you hit me on some things that I don't need? When I was filling up my emptiness, I was turning into something I don't really want to be.
Looks like we checked everything out so far. I wish I could read the notes.
Hey, it's Ren. Leave a message at the beep. Is there actually a beep?
Hey, Ren, why's your phone off? You said this was a good time to call. Ignore that. Someone was messing with my whales today. I was just hoping I could vent to you a little. Let me know if there's any update about Nana. Ooh, and we had a Whale-a-Palooza today. Anyway, give me a call when you can. The whales say hi back.
Hey, Mirai. How are you?
Doing all right. How are you feeling? Any better?
A bit. I might finally be getting my sea legs.
Next step, diving.
One step at a time, Mirai.
Okay, but I promise you, it'll change your life. Is Andre with you?
No, just me. Andre is analyzing some sound files in the other lab. I think I may have upset him.
You upset him? Or that noise upset him? Because it certainly upset me.
He was overreacting, and I pointed it out.
I was not overreacting.
Andre, I didn't realize you were on. What did you find?
This is video and audio from your last dive. And this is an analysis of the sound that spooked the family. And this sound is from the Canadian marine acoustic scientist. I think the findings are pretty clear.
The signatures sound the same to me.
He gave me the same test.
Andre, who is messing with my whales?
Deep sea miners.
Here? In the research zone? It's off limits to commercial activity.
And when has that ever mattered before?
We don't know that they're in the research zone. They may be just outside it. We knew they were doing an impact study nearby.
What are they after? That might give us a clue.
They're looking for rare minerals to make solar panels.
Could the sound cause trauma to the whales?
The acoustic specialist said it might push them to quieter hunting grounds, but was unlikely to cause acoustic trauma.
So what's the move?
We should use our mapping drone to investigate their activity.
And this is where our debate turns into an argument. We need that drone to map the deep sea vents before Mirai dives there. The biochemistry of these vents is the perfect cocktail for creating new life forms.
If there is illegal activity there, we have to stop it. Otherwise, there will be no life forms.
Why spend our short time here policing rather than researching? Let's be scientists.
Mirai, your dive, your call.
I say we
I'll
go
dive
after
into
the
vents
miners.
without a map. Nobody messes with my whales.
Hey, Mirai. Sorry I missed you. Misplaced my phone. Whale-a-Palooza? Is that a real thing? Tell whomever annoyed you I'm coming for them. Hey, nobody messes with our whales. Does your submarine have sonar? Maybe you can find the bad guys with that. No word on Nana's thing yet. Miss you.
So if you could spend me some change, yeah, to keep me on my way. I'm a washed up battered piece of cake, slashed up tires, I'm finding my own way. Yeah. I'm going with the flow now. I'm living for the moment, no matter shit.
Well, let's go chase down
Day
those
5. Open
miners.
ocean, east of the atoll. I'm ready to play back a coda sound to Andrea to see her response. I'm definitely worried that the family has gotten smaller. Not sure if they were just spooked by that sound or if something else is going on. Staying hopeful. Ready to dive.
I'm in and okay. You know, I always feel like I'm swimming in place in the open ocean. Think the Explorer drones will flag me as biodiverse?
You're not what they're looking for.
That's what everyone says. Approaching the buoy.
Oh, is that a sunfish? That looks like a sunfish. What is that?
That song sounds familiar. Hey, a newcomer.
Huh.
Now to get there before the noise from Andre's minor friends scares them all away.
You want to raise my blood pressure?
Whoa. Going by so quick. Lost sight. Oh, there it is. It looks like a sunfish. Is it a sunfish? Oh, they are. I lost that dolphin though. That's right, we have more. Oh, there he is. Gotcha. More sunfish? Yep. Hammerheads.
I was not expecting to find orcas here.
They don't look like killers.
Top of the food chain, just like us. Minus the urge to destroy ourselves.
I wish he would sit still.
Has anyone been tracking them?
I'm still waiting to see if there's a match.
Hello to you too.
Okay, there should be. I thought I saw two of them. I already got you. I thought there was two of them, or was he by himself? More sunfish. Oh, got them already. Yep, I thought there was.
Andre, are you seeing this?
Is that a leatherback turtle?
I didn't think there were any left here.
What happened?
Egg poaching, and the nesting beaches got too warm.
There it is.
Biosample acquired.
Do you think your turtles are making a comeback?
Well, I wish I could be optimistic. It's just as likely our turtle is taking the long route home to somewhere else.
Ooh. Almost missed that little guy. Pretty sure I got these. Got you, got you. Oh, missed. Keep missing. Keep swimming away. There we go. Now I got him. Huh. That felt awkward.
Okay, group survey. New or a repeat? So glad to hear you. Those noisy neighbors silenced enough of your friends. New whale! We'll designate this one M4, because why mess with a good thing?
The sounds don't sound like the prior songs.
These are more social sounds.
Okay, we got those out of the way. Oh, we missed that anomaly sound though. Did we miss it, or am I just not seeing it? I think I missed it. No.
Feels like my birthday, and that buoy is my present. Hope it's better than my last birthday.
Dare I ask?
My sister got me jeans that were mine for about a week before they wandered off, never to be seen again. A mystery, I tell you. Did you not charge any of these batteries before you put the sensor in?
It's not a battery alarm, it's the drone.
Okay, so what do we go after first? We lost that noise before for going after the fish. So I'm kind of wondering if it's a time thing.
You're right. That is definitely not a dead battery. Unless we're using whale sharks as batteries now. There's already a tag on it.
Then scan the tag.
Sure, like that was obvious.
No! I am horrible with driving this drone.
I'm leaving another tag. Much better than a dead battery.
Okay, we got him out of the way. Now let's go after our fish. Looks like a dolphin. And possibly another whale. I'd love to be a marine biologist or an oceanographer. My only problem is I'm a horrible swimmer.
Hello! I just met your friends.
Oh, it was a killer whale.
Are we sure no one's tracking them?
Nothing has turned up.
Pretty low weight. Irina, do you think this one could be sick?
I'm honored you believe I could tell from this distance that my knowledge of disease extends to all species.
Fair enough.
Okay, one more. Got all you guys, huh? Yeah, I got you guys. Pretty sure I got all of you, too. Yep. Yep, I got them all. Man, it's so far out there, too.
Dolphins. Always showing off. Hey, Andre, can you make your manta drone do synchronized swimming?
Guess we'll see.
Oh. I lost my waypoint.
Let's log you in.
Okay, got all of them. Pretty sure I got all of them. Yep, got all of them. Guess we go back to the buoy.
Didn't you pick this dive location because you tracked the baby's pod out here?
I said they were heading in this direction.
Andre, the buoy is glitching. I don't know what range you've set, but I think I'm hearing all the animals in the Pacific.
Yeah. Too many sound signals for the software to keep up.
I don't know what kind of party I'm crashing, but pretty sure I'm gonna love it.
What is happening?
It's a bait ball. Humpbacks? Orcas? Very unusual, but everyone's gotta eat.
Are you safe down here?
I'll try not to be mistaken for a fish. Of course dolphins show up. Never like being left out of the action.
They want leftovers.
Good luck to them. They're up against bigger stomachs.
So they're all helping each other eat. Oh, I gotta scan the orcas. Where are my orcas? There they are. There's 2 of them. Oh, those are the dolphins. There they are. Oh, looks like we got a whale back.
Here they are. You were right, Andre. I guess I didn't just swim across the Pacific for nothing.
Oh, he only had 1. I thought he had 2.
Are there fewer than before in this pod? Or am I just getting faster at tagging?
No, definitely fewer. But maybe the others are hunting.
No, don't leave me. Well, the mother stayed with the baby this time.
Okay, ready for playback? I've prepared a coder you can activate from your dive watch.
Ooh. Oh, I did that already. How do I do? Oh.
Okay, first attempt to speak whale. Hopefully I won't offend her.
Echo clicks. I could feel it across my body, just checking me out.
First contact.
She zoom scanned you.
You have no idea what that felt like. She was looking right at me. Whew, you have no idea.
That was pretty awesome. Ooh, more videos. How many videos? There's a lot of videos.
If people stayed on the shore and never got underwater, how would we ever know that fish like one another? When you see fish interact with other creatures, like the octopus and the grouper, who go fishing together, they communicate in ways that we don't know what they're saying, but they know what they're saying. They've been on the Earth for hundreds of millions of years. They've had a long time to figure out these close relationships.
Sharks actually might prey on dolphins in a natural setting, but when they are presented with a bait ball, then they work together for this common goal to feed on the fish.
We had very large bait balls spread over probably half the size of a football field. We had mobula, We had dolphins, the bait was shifting everywhere, animals were coming in, moving out, just moving so quickly.
So we have some orcas around the bowl and also under. So everybody works together as a team, herding the fish. Males, female, everybody is doing this, and they will eventually share the stunned fish afterwards, which is pretty amazing to see. There is no competition, so everybody's working together and everybody is sharing the prey afterwards.
It really takes a long time of being in there, watching the same species of fish to figure out these really interesting things that they're doing. So I think that there's probably a lot of really interesting behaviours out there that we haven't even discovered yet.
So true. Sea turtles. I wish there was a way to interact more with, you know, these little clues into the storyline and what's going on. Let's turn that down a little bit. Not really much this time around. Okay.
Bad news. The drone we had tracking that intrusive noise, it's gone. Lost contact hours ago. I'll keep monitoring the hydrophones for that noise, but as of now, unless the drone resurfaces, that's all we've got.
Hey, Mirai. I assume you've heard that Andrea lost a drone.
Yeah, bad break. Did we get any usable data from the drone before it went missing?
You'll have to ask Andrea. He hasn't given me an update. I think he's upset that I suggested we'd still have the drone if we used it for its original purpose.
It's crazy that we only have one mapping drone. If this were a space mission, we would probably have 100. You sound a little frustrated. Is that with Andre or the drone situation?
Both.
Harsh. Andre really does have good intentions.
I just wish he wasn't so cold with me, just because I turned my prior research into a successful biotech business. Not every company is evil.
I know. Those miners have him agitated. It's nothing personal.
Hopefully that's true.
Was that a yawn? Did you get any sleep?
Not really. Between the drone and staying up to chat with my daughter, I spent most of the night staring out of my cabin window at the moon.
My grandmother loved to take me freediving in the moonlight. It was magical. It's like the whole ocean glows.
Sounds like a fun grandmother.
She was. Is. She's alive, but suffers from dementia.
Sorry to hear that.
Thanks.
Wow.
Nana moved in with us after our mom died. I was 12. Ren was 4.
Are you and your sister close?
Oh, so maybe Ren's the sister.
Definitely. Yeah, most of the time. It's complex right now. Where is your daughter?
She's at university in the UK.
What is she studying?
Pre-med. But she also has a passion for music. She has been playing in the same indie band for years.
What's her music like?
Hard to describe. I'm sure Sophie would love for you to check it out. I'll send you her latest single.
Ooh,
Isn't your sister also at university?
My sister, took a break for a few years, but she's back now.
There's a story there. Not my business.
It's just hard sometimes for me not to want to take the wheel when I see her swerving.
Does she want your help?
I push her to do better, but honestly, I think that just pushes her away.
You sound like me talking about my daughter.
Yeah, complex. People are messy. That's why I study whales. Speaking of which, I better get prepped for our next dive.
Yeah.
Catch you later.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so my guess is Ren's the sister. The paperwork we saw for custody would have been probably for the grandmother with dementia. So she's probably trying to get power of attorney for her grandmother. Being, you know, she's in such a rough medical state.
Hi, Mirai. It must be late there.
That's okay. I'm on dive time.
I showed Nana the highlights from your live stream.
Yep, that's got to be the sister.
Did she recognize my voice?
No. Maybe. She seemed to enjoy it, though.
Are you doing okay with her?
Kind of. You do this better.
Did you want to talk about next semester?
When you get back. It's complex.
You know, I can look at coming back earlier.
That's crazy talk. Go speak to your whales.
Gonna try. Catch you later.
Oh, I missed that before. AR Held Manual. Okay, well, I think that's a good start for today on this one. I'm gonna end this here for today, and we'll be back again tomorrow with some more deep sea diving.